Hi, and welcome to Vegie Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to use the dicer. Before we use the dicer, we must make sure that everything on it is working properly. So make sure that our top two screws are down properly. We make sure that our plunger is working quite easily, and also our rubber spacers or grommets are actually in the right place. We don't use the dicer straight on the bench. We must always have it in a container so that our food falls straight into a tray. Today we're going to do a couple of different things. Okay? We can dice anything we want in it. We're going to dice the onion first. To dice an onion properly, what we simply do is just top and tail it and then take the outer skin off. We should be left with an onion like that. Then what we simply do is cut the onion in half. For those who don't have a lot of arm strength or wrist strength, it was always suggested that we should cut the onions also into quarters, okay, this way. So for those who don't have the strength in their wrist, all we simply do is get them into the quarters, hold it down, and then what we just do is just a straight plunge. So if you want to see that again, all we simply do is put it in place and a straight plunge. It's okay to give it that little push right at the end. You can see you can also put half an onion in there quite comfortably. It will take a little bit more strength. Now personally, I normally do this in 2 strokes. I first go once like that, and then I go down like that again. And as you can see, there's your onions. Beautifully diced, ready to go. Now, you can do this with any vegetable. You can do it with tomatoes, you can do it with carrots, you can do it with celery, you can do it with capsicums. Another demonstration, so I'm going to take this away now, and we're now going to do some tomatoes. Back in a sec. Back again, and now we're going to show you how to do the tomatoes. Okay. Tomatoes, a bit less teary than onions. All we simply do is cut our tomato down the middle. Please do not use overripe tomatoes because they'll just tend to squish. 2 firm halves, all we simply do is lift it face down, and once again, straight out, and then again. The most important thing to remember is that with the dicer, we must clean our equipment afterwards. It's very, very important because food has acid in it, acid has a residue, and it will decompose the metal. So please, 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 wash the equipment after you use it. Thank you. Have a great evening.